This is for the project manager to make more use of that time during a busy day. So let's get started here. So firstly, start with a clear priority list every single day. You want to identify the top 2 or 3 tasks that truly move the project forward. During the day, many things come up, and you want to ensure that you tackle the biggest and most important items. Next, what you want to do is that you want to limit the context switching of tasks. You want to batch similar tasks. For example, if you're working on emails, don't all of a sudden switch to a data analysis. Next, what you want to do, and this is very important, you want to control your meeting load. You want to decline or delegate non essential meetings and keep your own sessions short and structured. If you're invited to an analysis session with software developers, project manager normally doesn't have to be part of those meetings if the entire discussion is going to be handled by the development team. So you want to decline non essential meetings, or you want to delegate meetings with the specific functions. For example, if a business analyst has to meet with software developers to discuss the requirements, you don't have to attend that meeting to open up the call, do an introduction on the agenda, and then have everyone talk for an hour. You can just delegate to the business analyst and say, hey, you know what? You go ahead, have that meeting with the development team, and get back to me offline with status or what happened with that call. Next, and this is crucial, do not multitask during meetings. If you're on a meeting, especially on a meeting that you're running, you want to be listening for decisions made, new risks, action items, and you don't want to transcribe the meeting. That's a big time waster. You just want to listen for decisions, risks, or action items, or other important information that you may want to note down. And then another important item here is to set boundaries for interruptions. You want to block focused work time and communicate availabilities to stakeholders and team members. And it's okay to tell people that you're really trying to get something important done and you'll get back to them later on. However, if you do that, make sure you do get back to them later on, or you give them a time frame with which you're going to get back to them. So that's going to do it for this lecture. Thanks for watching.